As I walk through frozen sands, through the
I have what's called an access to personality disorder.
What's that supposed to mean?
It means when I kill you and your friends, I'm not really gonna feel anything.
I will not thirst.
Why are you so afraid to talk about your feelings?
Feelings? I'm a sociopath. I don't have feelings.
It's not that you don't have feelings.
Waves are
It's just like the volume's turned way down.
me. They drag me down. They drag me down. But I will not drown. They'll know my name. After the storms are passing through, they'll know my name.
You gave up on her days ago.
I gave up on you.
They're calling out. They're calling out my name.
Writing isn't my style.
But dying is? Because as I see it, that's your only option.
They're calling out my name. And I shall rise, oh well, I shall rise again and again. I shall rise, oh well, I shall rise again and again. I shall rise, oh well, I shall rise again.